Let's talk about AWS resources and how we can manage them. What is resource is the same as for different clouds. This is virtual machine, disks, services, etc. So how we can organize? We have on the lowest level resources. We can optionally group via resource groups, but this is not container. This is for some reason. I explain it. We can do some operation like monitoring, resource manager operation, etc. So mine or this is resources itself, then accounts. Then we can use organization. This is payable option. This is free. This is payable option. Also accounts or accounts, we can have root accounts which can has sub accounts. So that's important note. So the basic unit of AWS infrastructure is the AWS account. The main account root, which you can create inner accounts, organization, and manage billing and manage rights. So root account can create inner accounts and organizations. So that's important note. So when you have many AWS accounts, it's useful to have an infrastructure hierarchy called AWS Organization to manage those accounts. So you can manage your resources throughout multiple accounts, or you can multiple accounts and organization. Organization provide your feature like group policy or manage resources. So an AWS account is a container for your AWS resources. You create and manage your AWS resources in an AWS account. And the AWS account provides administrative capabilities for access and billing. So for example, you have different department, you have different projects, so better have separate account for to manage them and bill. Separate billing, management, access, etc. So using multiple accounts is a best practice for scaling your environment and provides a natural billing boundary. For cost, isolates resources. For security, gives flexibility or individuals and teams, in addition to being adaptable for new business processes. So let's talk about resource group. This is where you organize, manage multiple AWS resources together based on tags. So you can treat related resources as single logical unit. Think of resource groups like smart dashboard that shows all related AWS resources together based on tags. This is not folder, not container, just a dynamic view. So what resource groups serves that lets you manage and automate tasks on larger numbers of resources at one time. This good. Here is guide. You can review it. So for a list of the services that support the resource groups and brief description of what each service allows you. So this is services. So cloud formation, cloud trail, so cloud watch to see, monitor DynamoDB table groups, is EC2 dedicated host, license manager, resource manager, share host resource groups, catalog, system manager. So visibility and control of your AWS resources. So you can see what action you can do with your resources. So here is also how to create group, how to update group, how to monitor resource group, security, etc. So you can review all these opportunities. So we tagged for variety purposes, from implementing a cost allocation strategy to supporting automation or authorizing access to our AWS resources. So we use tags for resources, and with those tags we can do different strategies. Okay, if we want to have organization, what is organization? Is collection AWS accounts that you can organize hierarchy and manage centrally. So here is documentation. We can manage, govern environment as you grow and scale your resources. Using organization, you can create accounts and allocate resources, group accounts to organize workflows, apply policy for governance, and simplify billing by using a single payment method for all of your accounts. So centralized account for billing and managing accounts. So we add accounts, group accounts, apply policies, and enable some services for organization. So here is a full list of features: manage accounts, define and manage organization, secure accounts, control access, permission, share resources across accounts, audit environment for compliance. I'll also here centrally manage billing and cost. So you can see here is services which you can use to get those features. So share resources across accounts. So we can use AWS Resource Manager, Virtual Private Cloud, this is for networking, License Manager, and Service Catalog. So that's use cases. So here is full information, documentation, you can see it. Let's review. So management account, so this is master account, is that let's review pictures. So organization, so we have root, management accounts, so we have organizational units, and we have members, add members to those organizational unit. So we can apply different policies to organizational unit, and they, I believe, inherited. So let's review management account, master account. You use to create your organization. From the management account, you can create other accounts in your organization, invite and manage invitation accounts to join your organization, remove accounts, also attach policies to entities such as administrative roots, organizational units, or accounts within your organization. Management account is the ultimate owner of the organization, having final control over security, infrastructure, and finance policies. This account has the role of a payer account and is responsible for paying all charges accrued to the accounts in this organization. You cannot change which account in your organization is the management account. So that's limitation. Member account is a AWS account other than the management account that is part of organization. If you are an administrator of organization, you can create member accounts in the organization and invite existing accounts to join the organization. You also can apply policies to member accounts. A member account can belong to only one organization at a time. So only one organization. This is limitation. Administrative root is contained in the management account and is the starting point for organizing your AWS accounts. The administrative root is the topmost container in your organization's hierarchy. Under this root, you can create organization's units to logically group your accounts and organize these units into a hierarchy that best matches your business needs. So what is organizational unit? Is a group of AWS accounts within an organization. Unit can also contain other units, enabling you to create hierarchy. Are useful when you need to apply the same controls to a subset of accounts in your organization. Nesting organizational units enables smaller units of management. For example, you can create units for each workload, then create two nested units in each workload to divide production workloads from pre-production. These units inherit the policies from the parent OU in addition to any controls assigned directly to the team level organizational unit. So policy is document with one or more statements that define the controls that you want to apply to a group of AWS accounts. AWS organization supports the following policies. So backup policies requires AWS backup on a specific cadence. Tag policies defines tag case and allowed values. AI services opt-out policies controls how AI services store or use content. Service control policies defines the AWS service actions such as EC2 run instances that are available for use in different accounts within an organization.